Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. Please go to Countertops.com. On the main menu top right, click on Login. By doing so, a second tab will open. You are now on your Countertops dashboard. I'm now going to show you how to access the Jobs board. On this dashboard, you can access your Jobs board either by clicking here on the green button or below at Job Board. Click on either. Let the data load. As you can see, this CRM consists of a historical view and analysis of data gathered from prospective customers. This CRM will enable you to manage your leads efficiently, whilst maintaining and creating relationships with your customers. Once your kitchen visualizer, bathroom visualizer or quoting team has generated the lead, the CRM will memorize their contact details. It is for you to contact that person by email and phone and identify the opportunity of business. In the first column, you'll have the name of the prospective customer. In the second column, you'll be able to see what tool was used. Was it a design tool, the kitchen visualizer, the bathroom visualizer, or was it the quoting tool? As you can see here, design or quote is the information provided. If I want more, I can click on the More Information button. And here on the right, it states that that person used the kitchen visualizer. The third column is the status of the job. You can keep track of the status, lead, contacted, not interested, template, install, over budget, etc. As you can see, one of the advantages of implementing this CRM system is the need for less paper and less manual work. Here, by gathering key information, you'll be able to follow up and convert them efficiently. In the fourth column, here you can allocate each lead to a salesperson or a customer manager or account manager. This column here helps in focusing and concentrating on each and every customer separately. The fifth column is an appointment date. Here, I can schedule an appointment directly. The sixth column is great if you have several locations. It will specify the location. Here is the number of days that the job has been open. And here are two buttons where you can upload and take notes. If I click here, I can add a document or file to the system. For example, photos, sketches, or other measurements. So by clicking on Uploads, I also have access to the other buttons. I can click on Customer Profile, and I can also click on Notes. If I wish to add a note, I click on Add Note, and I type in my notes here. By efficiently dealing with every single customer and providing them with what they actually want will increase customer satisfaction. At this point, you can also export the data in a CSV file. Click on Export. You can then upload that information into another system or spreadsheet. As you can see, the CRM system is easy to use. Everything is kept centralized. That means the information is available at any time. This will reduce the process time and increase your productivity. This is a very smooth and modern way of business. Thanks for watching, and don't hesitate to get in touch if you have any problems whatsoever. Bye bye.